This is an International / Kenworth dash configuration. It's pretty standard for this style of truck. Your 3-wire for whatever you need the 3-wire, GPS, adding a tablet, chargers, things like that. Behind this beauty right here. And one hand that off. Now, inside of all this is the wiring that you need. Your constant is going to be this red wire here. Always be on this column, on this side. Your ignition wire is going to be the pink. You can use this here. You can use that there. You can use this longer one here. The big thicker one in the back. That'll be your ignition right there as well. Your ground, just like so. Screw it into that metal beam. You're all set. You can stick the device up here, though most customers want it tucked. And in that case, to tuck the device in an installation like this, you're going to take off this black shroud. It's up here. It's just very simple. It just pops off. Obviously, if there's panels that are missing screws, things like that, please note it so that you are not held responsible. But this panel will come out. You can stick your GPS, boom, right down there. Plenty of room. Sneak your wire through the corner.